right, here's a second example out of your book from lesson 5. What is the sum of the first 8 terms again? So we'll do 8 terms of a series whose first term is 2 and 8th term is 4,374. So what are we looking at here? The first term's 2, and then there's second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, and the 8th term is 4,374. So we don't know what these other terms are. And we're not even really sure how to get from here to here. We just know it's a geometric series, so we're multiplying by some number. All right, so let's make our red box here again. And we know we need first term, we need n, and we need r. Well, we know the first term's 2. We know n's 8, but we got to get r. So how are we going to get r? Well, what we're going to have to do is go back to a formula we learned a while back. We're going to look at the geometric sequence formula. Do you remember the geometric sequence formula? You write it down here. It's in your book. It's a sub n equals a sub 1 times n to the r minus 1. Right, and that's how you could just keep getting the next term in the sequence. So we want the next term in the sequence, so we're going to use this formula. So you have to use this formula before you can use that formula. So let's plug into this formula because we do know the first term. We don't know r, but we do know n. So we can use the formula to get r. Okay, so let's do the 8th term. A sub 8 equals the first term times n, which is going to be, yeah, I thought that looked backwards. Let me fix that. I'm not going to redo the video. So this is r to the n minus 1. Okay, so this is r to the 8 minus 1. Okay, well, we know what the 8th term is. It's 4,374. So I can erase that. 4,374. Okay, I want to get r alone now. So I'll divide both sides by 2. That'll go in 1, 1, 8, 7. R to the 7th. So you have 1,187 equals r to the 7th. Well, how do we get r alone with this exponent? Well, we're going to take the 7th root of both sides. And your calculator can take 7th roots. Right? And so the 7th root of 1187 turns out to be 3. I'm sorry, this is 2187. The 7th root of 2187 is 3. So 3 equals r. Now I know that r is 3. I can just plug all the numbers into the formula and it'll get me the answer. You should be able to plug that in by watching the last example. All right.